My name is Morgan Carter, and this is my review of the marketing tool WordPress. Some people love it, others despise it. I am here to tell you why I believe WordPress is a comfortable, customizable approach to website hosting. Let me show you how simple it is to create your own website on WordPress. You will start by visiting the WordPress website, wordpress.com. From there, you will click on Start Your Website. Then you will be asked to create an account with a unique username and password. Once you have created an account and signed in, you will identify which kind of website you would like to build. A blog, business, professional, online store, or even a blank website. For example, you could click on business as the website type and digital marketing. From there, you can type in your business name, and this will populate an example of an already designed site ready for your use. Then you will assign your web address. On WordPress, there are both free and paid options for website addressing and hosting. Fair warning, this is where WordPress can get expensive. You will probably want to pay for a WordPress plan that allows for a professional website address and more customization. You can see that depending on the plan, you will be spending $5 to $45 a month in order to create and host your website on WordPress. For some, this seems cost effective. However, some small business owners might find it too costly. If you are unsure which plan is for you, you can always choose to start with a free site and decide later. Once you have determined your web address and plan, you can finally start to see your site come together. In WordPress, you have access to many customization tools. For example, checklist, stats, plan, site, design, tools, and manage. You can easily browse through each of the tools in order to create a website to be as custom or as simple as you'd like. There are many options to help you effortlessly create the website you never even knew was possible. And just like that, you have a website that you can easily add your own information to create it unique to your business. Here is an example of a previously published website that I have created with WordPress. As you can see, the possibilities for customization are endless. I started with just a basic template and added my own information, pictures, and design in order to make it exactly how I wanted it. You too can create your own website and host it with WordPress. Overall, I would recommend WordPress to anyone looking to create and host a website that is a good value, easy to use, and very customizable.